Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I have this my sparse brows into this. I'm going to show you how I fill in my brows to have this fluffy effect, even though I have my brows are non-existent, my thin brows. So since I produce so much oil, I'm always going in with my Pond Lasting Oil Primer. This product is a lifesaver. I produce all over my face, even on my brows. So Pond's to the rescue. And for my brows to lie flat, you have that flat look. Age control, baby. You know that some people use bar soap method. Everybody have their own method, but mine, I use my age control. It doesn't turn white and makes my brows lie flat. So I comb it out with a spoolie after applying the age control. You can comb it with your brush. I comb it out with a spoolie and make sure they are all standing, like lying flat. This is just like a 5 minutes brow. Doesn't take long. After that, I press it in with the back of the spoolie. I press it in so that to lie flat. You know, since my brows is not bleached, you have this stanky effect. So I'm always pressing it to lie flat. The next thing you will need is Davis No. 3 eye pencil. But if you have a brow pomade, my dear, I think that's even the best. If you have a brow pomade, so you measure where you start your brows and where your brows end. This step is actually important because where your brow ends, you thin it out while going outward. Where your brow starts, you thin it out, so it's not as long as the middle part. So you thin it out. So you now start filling it in, drawing hair-like strands. Drawing hair-like strands upward. Just mimicking how your brows are. Mimic them. Like some people like trimming their brows before they do this, but me, I don't like that. I think trimming the brows gives me a boxy effect, and if I really want the fluffy brows, I don't think I want that boxy effect. If I want that boxy effect, I'll go and use, like, I will draw the normal brows. But since I want my brows to look as if it's still my natural brow, I don't trim out the edges. I go in with the flow with how my brow is. When I'm doing upward, I thin it out. I take my time doing this. And if the pencil becomes blunt, you should sharpen it again and go all over again. I think brows, everybody have their method. And another thing I want to point out, I don't think this type of brow fits everybody's face shape. There are some people that you try this brow on them and it does not look good. So the secret in makeup is know what works for you, know what looks good on you, because following trends will not actually, you might look silly sometimes if you follow trends, but if a trend, an actual trend, it's okay, it fits you, you can do it. If it doesn't fit you, my dear, do what you are comfortable with. Since I saw this brow, I have not drawn my normal brows again. I have a brow tutorial, like the normal brow tutorial on this channel. But since then, this is the look I've been getting, and my friends have been asking, what do you do it? So I said, let me put it up here. So to clean my lower brows, I go in with Elegant Pro Conceal. You should use a shade, 2 shades lighter. But I wanted to win an eyeshadow look because I was going somewhere. I was actually going somewhere when I filmed this video. I wanted to win an eyeshadow look that really did not need that bright concealing. That's why I went in with a concealer that was my skin tone. But for the normal look, you should go in with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin so that it will pop out well. So use it and clean lower brows. I think this is the only cleaning I did for this brow. You tap it in, then you go to the other side too. This is the only cleaning I did for this brow. Like I told you before, I don't want that box shape. If I really wanted that box shape brows, I won't do fluffy brows. I know everybody have their own definition of fluffy brow, but my own fluffy brows, it should not be box shape. How I clean the upper side is when I'm applying my foundation. I go in with my foundation. That's how I clean it. See how thick my brows is looking. I don't have this thick of a brow. My brow is not this thick, I promise you. So guys, I hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Give me a comment. Tell me your next video you want to see and I will deliver. Thank you guys for always the continuous support. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye.